Hi, this is Chef Pachi. Now today with pulled pork from some pieces of pork chops. First thing I'm going to teach you how to do is a seasoning that I make for my pork chops, and I freeze them after I season them. It's a couple tablespoons of cranberry mustard, plain yogurt, za'atar, and sumac. And the recipe is going to be in the bottom. It's amazing. You just mix it, place it in the bottom of the steak, tablespoonful on top, and spread it. That's it. This is actually how I freeze them seasoned. Then you freeze. I freeze one at a time because they're actually huge and it's a serving for two. You can freeze one or two or three. Just freeze them flat so that you can defrost them fast. Check this out. So I didn't have any pork pieces to make some pulled pork, and I decided I was going to use these steaks. This is how I freeze them. Check this out. I'm going to put them in the fridge first today so I can show you how they stack up on the fridge, because I usually keep 3 days of food in the fridge, not of the same thing. You see I have chicken there, but I keep 3 different days of food in the fridge, which is fine, and then I choose which one I'm going to eat. Now I'm going to use 3 of these steaks to create an amazing pulled pork. In the bottom of the instant pot, what I have is 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos. That's it. Then I'm going to put our seasoned pieces of pork into the instant pot. Cover the pot, no extra water, and cook it in high for 30 minutes. I had to make a change here and figure out how to put 30 minutes in high because I wanted it in high. So now I have it 30 minutes in high, and check this out. Plus, look at the liquid that comes out. This liquid came out of the pork. That means we didn't need any extra liquid, and it's gonna be a delicious sauce. Look at it. It falls apart perfectly. Since they are pieces and slices of pork, they don't make the long pulled pork. So I'm going to teach you a hack that I have. What I do is that I take an immersion blender and just lightly blend it by parts. That way it doesn't become a soup. It just becomes pulled pork. And cut into tiny pieces, because this was about 3/4 of an inch tall steak. Well, the pieces are going to be around that long, the pieces of pulled pork. This is it. It's amazing. Check it out. In that sauce, I left it on a little so that that water would dry out, evaporate, and keep all the flavor in my pulled pork. This is amazing. Pulled pork anytime with Chef Pachi. Delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!